What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today don't really have much planned. I actually did record some footage yesterday, but I don't know if I really like it. Let me know if you guys still want me to upload it. I can edit it and upload it for sure. But today, since it is nice outside and Alabama decides not to be crazy and be 12 degrees, we can actually do some things. So kind of the time of the year you can't really wash your car because pollen and stuff gets all on it and just ruins it after a few hours. So right now this is the current situation. It's black and yellow. So yeah, guys, we're gonna do some cruising around, maybe do some cool little shots of it. Gosh, look at all these bugs. Alright, so definitely, if it doesn't rain Saturday, cleaning this thing up because these bugs are absolutely insane on this front bumper. Sorry guys, let me go inside and maybe change, maybe not, and we'll get this video started. Guys, what's going on? So talk a little bit about driving a car or truck or something with air ride on it, the pros and the cons, the good things, you know, about having it, which is a lot. Well, I guess that'd be considered pros and cons. So let's get started. So with air ride on this car, I really enjoy it. The way it looks, it makes the car look so much better. I had coilovers on it before. I liked how low it was for a while. I was very satisfied. You know, it looked good. It rode pretty decent, really. You know, I was really surprised, especially being coilovers. I expected them to be like real stiff and hard. But I went with some pretty good coilovers, and they're about $800. So it made a big difference. So later on, I decided, well, I want that look to when I park, it's just laid out, big body car on the ground. Looks sweet. So pieced my little air ride kit together, and man, I love it. So good things about this is you can have the low look you want. You can have it slammed, you know, if you want to cruise through town like this, you know, low speed, you can have it slammed looking good. And then say you're going through a bad parking lot, you're going through places that's got a real bumpy road, just hit the button, raise it up. You know, you ain't got to worry about, you know, messing your front bumper up, your front lip up or whatever. Like, to get out of my driveway, I have a gutter, so I raise up. If not, I mean, it'll damn near feel like it drug the whole front bumper off, and it's making all types of just terrible noises that definitely don't want. So that's the good thing about it. You know, the bad thing really that I've seen kind of sucks. Over time, you know, stuff starts wearing out. You know, it gets expensive. You got to replace stuff a little bit more often. Like the front airbag, one front airbag for this $80. It's a bag over coilover, so the whole center of it's hollow. It's just got an airbag around it. The rear airbags aren't that bad, like $70. But bad thing is that gun was like stupid close, not even paying attention. So, anyways, the rear airbag's like $70, which ain't bad, but I mean, definitely that's something you gotta kind of monitor. You gotta monitor your airlines, make sure your airlines aren't ripped. You ain't got one of those things that may bust. Because the last thing you want to do is bust the airbag or break an airline or bust an airline. Last thing you want, especially going down the highway, might as well call it over. So along with that, also, you know, you have air fittings go into your tank, go into your airbag and stuff like that. See, the way I have my tank in my trunk, see, this is the spot where I got to air up. And no, I do not have the AccuAir E-level system. I'm just running the valve log as of right now. I will get the E-level. Dang, God, that's rough. Crazy. I will get the E-level later on, but not right now. It's the E-level by itself with the switch, and I think it's got like the E-level ECU or whatever, and you get it it gets expensive. It's like $1,100. And it's something that I don't really want to pay out right now because this is doing just fine. Yes, it doesn't look as cool, but it's doing just fine. So anyways, the only bad thing is over time your fittings and stuff, they wear out, especially how I got mine sitting in the trunk. So I have a fitting that leaks air overnight, and in the morning you gotta wait for your tank to fill up. If you drive the car, you gotta wait for the tank to fill up, and it kind of gets old, and it takes a while to leak out. It's not something that like you park and you go into Walmart to buy something, come back out, and it's no air. The car does hold itself up. It's just, it gets annoying. I got a fitting, but I just kind of one of the things I haven't put it on. It hasn't really bothered me here lately, so eventually one day I'll get tired of it, and I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and just bust this thing on there real quick. So it doesn't take long. It's like literally like a 5-minute job, but I'm just too lazy right now to even do it. So guys, some other cool things that I do like about the air suspension, especially on this car with big 22s, obviously you can cram that thing into the tire, cram the body into the tire, make it look good, ride around. But another thing I do like sometimes it's kind of like, you know, you don't really want to be bothered, but if you have a car with air ride and you go to the gas station, to me all the time, I don't have to, but I do it anyways. I lay it out. I go ahead and hit the button, slam it, pump up, and this thing draws some attention when you do that. When you put this thing on the ground, people are looking, asking, you know, you see them pointing, you hear. I've had some crazy instances. Matter of fact, I could probably slap the GoPro on the car and go to many different gas stations, just buy like drinks, and slam it and get some awesome reaction videos. And so, let me know if that's something you guys would be interested in. I mean, all I gotta do is slap a couple GoPros on the car and get to some gas stations, lay it out in parking lots, kind of just stay away from it, but enough to where you like kind of monitor everything, make sure nothing gets stolen off the car. And I think that'd be pretty cool. I mean, cause it's crazy what kind of reactions you get. I mean, there's some absolutely hilarious stuff. Like I've had people, I laid it out at Walmart a couple weeks ago, and there was this guy there. I had my sunroof vented open. That's the only reason I knew. I laid it out, and to me, it's just a normal thing. I just hit the button, and I was fiddling with some stuff in my car, and I hear somebody just like screaming. I was like, oh man. I look in my rearview mirror, and this guy's like jaw dropped. He's laughing. He's having a great time looking. He's pointing. He's getting his girlfriend to look. And I hop out of the car. I talked to this guy for about 10-15 minutes. You know, he had a Charger. It was just an awesome experience. And dude ended up being a really cool guy. So that's another thing, man. This thing draws a ton of attention when you do that. So if you're not somebody that likes attention, definitely don't do it. Because, I mean, no, it's not like Lambo Ferrari attention, but you definitely catch some eyes. So Anyways, guys, I'm gonna leave you with the last thing, the thing that sucks. I know I kind of went from pro to con, but last thing that kind of sucks about this is air ride is not cheap. It is not something you can just miss. Not cheap. That's the only thing. Like, to be honest, with this kit and this on this car, and I pieced it together. I didn't buy it all at once because all at once, outrageous price. I wasn't trying to shell out that much money at the time, so it's expensive, guys. It's not cheap. So the way I did it and the way it worked best for me is I bought coilovers first. Because the good thing about coilovers is if you later on want to go to bags, you can adjust how high you can get the car to go up or adjust how low you can get it to go down. But right now, I'm as low as I can go. I mean, the exhaust hits the ground when I lay it out. So I can't go any lower. And I can adjust it to where when I lay it out, it doesn't hit the ground. But it's very expensive, guys. I mean, this is something you're going to have $800 wrapped up just in the airbags and the brackets. Then you have to get airline. You got to have a lot of airline. That's going to be $50. You're going to have to get a controller if you want something like this. I forgot how much this is, like $100 and some dollars. Then I went with the AccuAir manifold. That by itself was $500. I mean, it added up really quick. Tank, I got the seamless tank, so you know it's not chrome or anything. It's aluminum seamless tank. It looks very, very good. It was a lot more expensive than a regular tank. Could have got a regular tank for about $60, but I wanted a good tank that would look good, and it's aluminum, so you got to worry about anything like blowing the ends off of it because it's all seamless and it's not welded. So that was like $150, 140, something like that. 4 gallon, I believe it's a 4 gallon tank. You can fit a 4 gallon tank under where the spare tire goes in a Dodge Charger. It just so happens one. That's where I got mine in. You open the trunk, looks like a stock trunk. You lift up where the spare tire would be. All my AccuAir and air management stuff is back there under that. So yeah, guys, it's very expensive, but well worth the look. I mean, it's paid for itself just in the way it looks and just in the way I can raise it, get into some bad areas, lower it, slam it, make it look sharp. And I mean, it was definitely worth the money in my opinion. Anyways, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. It's burning up in here for some reason. It feels like the heat's on. I don't know why, but that's gonna do it for this video. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, go ahead and comment. Let me know, would you like to see a video of me slapping GoPros on the car, do a reaction